So this is a recipe for exfoliation. In winters, we have a problem of dead skin, and skin becomes very dull because of dead skin which is not exfoliated or scrubbed off. So this is an exfoliation recipe. This is made with coffee. Coffee is anti-aging. Then cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is very nourishing for dry and mature skin. And this is Demerara sugar. This is for the exfoliation part. And sugar is here humectant and it retains moisture. So you have to scrub it till the sugar is absorbed into the skin, and that plumps up the skin. And you have to keep scrubbing it till the sugar is dissolved. And the base for this recipe is sesame oil. I'm using white sesame oil for it. You have the choice of using black sesame oil as well if you want to. So now we're going to mix this in one jar. So all the three ingredients are putting it one jar. Now to make a blend, I use enough sesame oil to make a paste. And this can be used on the face as well as the body. So this is a little dry. I'm going to add a little more sesame oil. Yes, this is